Removing the door card on the MK4 Golf, we've got 3 T20 Torques along the bottom of the door card. Now split the door handle just here. And you've just got the connector at the back here. This will uncover 3 crosshead screws. And the last screw that you're likely to miss is just here, another little crosshead screw. Now all we've got are trim clips holding the door card in place, so if you use a large pry tool and insert it just in behind the door card. And the top of the door card sits in a channel there. You just need to lift it up. Keep hold of the door card as you'll have some wiring to disconnect from behind. So we've got the door mirror controls here. This is for the door lever. If we pull the plastic and unhook, and then we've just got the alarm LED, and the side marker. Now, tips when refitting, we've got these trim clips that pop out of position, and they're just slot in to these location points here. We lost one from the top as well. Now also to note, when you're refitting the door card, we've got this plastic area here which locates into this channel here, but also at the same time we need to be lining up the door lock indicator with the hole in the door card, which can get a bit tricky because you've got to hold it just under the aperture while pressing the door card down into position. But hopefully just notifying you will give you a better chance. Also, there's a little bit of movement in these trim clips, so when it comes to refitting, they may not line up with the holes perfectly. So once you've got the door card back in position and you've got it located at the top, don't just smash on the door card trying to make it fit. Just take a quick look down the sides of the door card and you'll be able to see which trim clips aren't lined up, because we've only got 3 on either side.